Hello guys, hello everyone. Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IC Market webinars. I think something wrong with my camera. Okay, I try to figure it out. I don't know why that. Can you guys hear me and see me clearly? Yes or no, guys? Can you guys hear me and see me clearly? Okay, I just realized that like this topic, okay, is what done like last week. Okay, I think I scheduled wrongly. Okay, maybe we're gonna do a recap and then we're gonna do maybe like trading section together. Okay, my apologies. All right. I think should we just wait for let's just say 1 minute. All right, I will start the session. Hi guys, hi everyone. I know that you can't hear me, you can't see me because something wrong with my webcam. Can you guys hear me clearly? Yeah, can you guys hear me clearly? Like I just mentioned early on, I think there is something wrong with my camera, and I just realized that the this topic was done last week. So today, let's just say today we're gonna do a recap and we're gonna do maybe live trading together. Okay, all right guys. Okay, let me see. I don't know why is something wrong with my phone. Okay, let me see if I can you guys give me a thumbs up whether you guys can hear me, because I think something not right. Like my computer it just hang. Okay, okay, shall we just begin our session again, guys? My apologies, okay, because I just saw that today's topic is what done like last week. I think I kind of like schedule wrongly. So today, let's say we're going to do the recap and then we're gonna do like live trading section together. Okay, and okay, before I start the webinar, disclaimer first. All right, everything in this video is purely educational in nature. Okay, let me try to turn like switch on and off my camera again, but it seems it's not working, but it's okay. So hi Ajay, hello, I believe you can hear me clearly, right? Okay, just my apologies. Okay, I know that the topic was done like last week. So today, let's just say we're gonna do a recap. Okay, and then we're gonna do maybe like trading section together. And before I start the webinar, disclaimer first. Okay, everything in this video is purely educational in nature. Okay, nothing should be considered as investment recommendation or any kind of advices. Okay, just any one of you guys just join my webinars. Something is wrong with my webcam, that's why you guys cannot see me. Okay, and I know that this topic it was done last week. So today we're gonna do a recap, and after that we're gonna look at light chart together. Okay, and speaker today, my name is Peggy. I'm investment analyst and a prop trader at Everest Forestry Group. Okay, now we rename it at Rocket. Okay, we finalist for the best equity research in 2021 and best equity research in 2019 to 2021. Okay, so this is what we're going to cover today. Basically, we have done last week. Okay, so we're going to talk about the candlestick reversal strategy. Okay, this is pattern. Okay, let's just have a quick look at this one, and then after that I'm gonna bring you to the light chart because gold has breakout of the smaller time frame, which is triangle. I think that was during the HN section. Okay, I saw that. But first of all, you need to know how to read the candle first, right? Where the opening, where it's closing. So for the bullish candle, opening below, closing is on top because this is a bullish, right? This is a seller push the price down. For the bearish candle, closing is below, opening on top, meaning that the seller try to push the price down and then the buyer take the control. These are closing basically. Okay, now let's look at maybe our chart together. Okay, remember that we have covered this last week, but I know it was done, but let me have a quick recap and do the look at the chart pattern together. Okay, wow, what happening here? Okay, maybe we're gonna look at the current gold movement. Okay, I think gold is going to make the all-time high maybe today. I'm not so sure if it's strong selling right now. Okay, before, okay, see, we talk about the chart pattern, right? So if you're to look here, gold has can I change to my time zone so at least I know what time is that? Okay, I'm gonna change to, okay, here. So over here today okay, this was the all-time high, right? Correct, this was at the 68. Okay, and in the lower time frame, wait, let me see, 16, it's not in early, it should be somewhere around here. 16 Asia. Okay, if I'm not wrong, on the lower time frame, I saw that price was in triangle. Okay, before this is okay, go. Okay, 10, no, that wasn't 10 o'clock. I'm gonna move back. I saw somewhere 7 o'clock. I did 7 o'clock somewhere around, anyway, maybe I look like different. Okay, from here, this is my triangle. It may not, let me double check. No, that would be 9, I think. In, okay, I here you're not wrong, right? This was the before it break. Today is 16. No, it was in triangle, or maybe I look like different brokers. Okay, let's just say that would be early in the morning. I thought it would be early in the morning. Should be somewhere. Oh no, okay, maybe here. Maybe I look in different bloggers. I saw it was like in the, it was like sideways. This is 11, or should be a bit early during the, let me see. Okay, maybe here. Is this here? Why it look different? This was the midnight. Okay, let's just say this was midnight. This was the low. Okay, let me see. I saw that during the Asian sections, and then it break out. You hang on for a while. This is, oh, then they're gonna, okay, it was here, right? Correct. Okay, okay, that's correct. Okay, here. Okay, price was, I was here like this. Okay, when I wake up, okay, I saw price has make the triangle here. This is the bullish pattern, right? The flag. Okay, remember? And now price have broken at these zones and make an all-time high at 3689 at about 8 o'clock, 8:15 with the Asian section. Okay, from here, whenever you see the pattern, we know that, right? Whenever we see the pattern like that, okay, and then you see the consolidation within the zone, break, pull back, and then you buy. Now, what do you think about XAUUSD? And also, if you if you want to look at gold, remember, if you want to sell for the gold, right, this is also another chart pattern, right? This is your chart pattern. Don't forget to look for the divergence when you want to sell here. Remember, I think I caught the sell here, right? Do you see that? You have a price action. This is a reversal. Okay, remember? And whenever price make a higher high, don't be panic. You look at indicator such as RSI. You will see that indicator is make a lower high. And in M5, okay, you will see that price ending with PA or price action. So you could sell. Okay, you could sell here. Gold has a lot of price action at the key level. This is another example. Okay, gold tend to, like, you know, respect price action and divergence as well. You can see this is very strong price action, right? It's a PA reversal pattern. Okay, here. And now, what do you think about the current price? I think gold currently is sideways. I think they are gonna wait for the New York section. Okay, open. Okay, let me discuss or talk about XAUUSD for a while. Anybody buy or anyone sell? Any one of you guys still holding the buy entry, or you still holding the sell entry? Anyone of you guys? Anyone of you guys? Okay, still hold or buy here? Okay, let me recap on the slide, and then after that we're gonna look. Remember that whenever you see the reversal pattern, this is inverted hammer, right? Whenever you see the inverted hammer, go back, which is last week we was did that together. Let me see. whenever we see the inverted hammer, okay, this is price action, this is the evening, oh, this is morning star, right? This is morning star here, right? It's happened where? At the support level. Okay, support level here. Okay, now the current goals at the moment, oh, you still hold, you buy, is it? Do you buy where? At the breakout? Do you buy where? At the breakout here? Do you buy at the breakout? Where? 36.74. Do you buy at 36.74? You buy somewhere around here, right? It is the zones. Okay, if I'm going to use, you know, this is a breakout. Can we consider the breakout here? Breakout the, you know, this is day has breakout of the belly channel, right? First they really break out and don't even like pull back to the zones. Okay, we can, I know they're really strong buying. I think they kind of like want to go, try to go you know, up to where? 3,700. I know that a lot of us, we are waiting at somewhere around this, right? Somewhere around here. Anybody like waiting to sell at these zones? It's about 30 pip more. I think gonna hit the like 3,700. Let's say this could be psychological number, which is this level. Price had broken the 1690, right? Now it's at 3696. Okay, let's just say if they not respect the 3,700, okay, I think the next resistance level, I only can use the extension. Okay, that would be the where 161.8 around here. Okay, but let me see if this one is gonna be exact at projection 161.8. okay, you can see the projection from here. Okay, there might be still investor, but I don't know why price kind of like, you know, up down at this smaller time frame. Let me go to the lower time frame right now. Okay, you can see that it's what pull back like twice at 75 and continues to go 5 high, and they also break above the lower time frame at 85. So there's a lot of the buyers still buying, right? Still buying. Now let me just do now. Okay, so I could say that, okay, based on this one could be your sell zone if you want to sell. Okay, at 98 to 3,700. okay, we have the extension, we have the projection, and we have the round numbers that you may consider. If they close above another 100 pip, that will be the extension in full time frame, so you need to take note of that. Okay, if you go to the lower time frame right now, go is sideways. Okay, you can see that they try to push the price up. If you're gonna look for the confirmation, there is no price action here, there's no nothing. So meaning if the price go here, I may consider to sell. Okay, if I may consider to sell at this level, I'm gonna just put my stop loss at 3702. That's it. Okay, because if really gonna close above, okay, and then it's no point that I'm gonna hold all the way to the extension here, or you can see that it's rising within the zones. If you want to sell, you may consider, okay, you may consider to sell at 98 to 3700. That's gonna be our kind of like sell entry. Okay. it's what, like, you know, from here 97 pull back to 94, and now it kind of rising. You keep the body, so meaning that this still very strong buying. Okay, you keep very strong buying, so you need to be careful on your sell entry. You need to set the stop loss if you want to buy. Okay, if you want to buy. Right, now you can say it's go in the zone now. For gold, you can see the rejection. Okay, it's very high risk, guys. I think it's gonna go to make all-time high right now, right? You can see that it already pulled back exact where 98.9. Just very quick one. You're gonna see like quick pullback. Now this is our sell zones. If you want to sell, this is our sell zone, guys, where you're gonna put the stop loss just above 300 and 3700. You just put like 3702 or 03, so it's up to you. Okay, now if you want to wait for price action to confirm this zone is gonna revert, price need to closing with at least here bearish engulfing candle, meaning the body have to close below 96. The body have to close below 96, or it should be those like evening stars. If price gonna reverse from this, okay, if this one gonna make the higher high, and then the indicator gonna make the divergence if price gonna reverse. I'm not sure, okay, but just based on the Fibonacci extension, we have projection, extension, and round number. Okay, this high risk, we sell just based on the Fibonacci line up together and the round number. That's it. Okay, if you want to wait for confirmation, you need to wait. If you think that high risk, what you need to do, you need to wait for the candle at least M5 M15 to closing with bearish engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle, and then we sell for the next candle. Or this one could be price action, which is evening star, or the kind of like hammer. Okay, and then we're gonna sell, so we can monitor this candle together. If still closing with really strong bullish move, then we have to like observe first. It's my break and then go to another zone, is another 100 pip right there. If you are aggressive trader, you think that okay, I'm okay with it, I'm gonna play the entry right now, I'm okay with put the stop loss above 3700 is up to you as well. Okay, this is the zone. Price have to close with price action such as evening star, hammer, bearish engulfing. Okay, if bearish engulfing, the body have to close below 96. Okay, Or if this gonna, okay, let wait for the M5 to close. Okay, let's wait for M5, which is 5-minute candle to close, and then we're gonna see whether price gonna respect these zones and then make a the fall from here first, or it's gonna break this 3,700 and continue to make a bullish move. Let's just say, let's just put the countdown bar. Can we see that? Don't have? I have here, but oh, okay, this is, I think okay, I don't say anything. Okay, you just have to manage your risk. Price closing with invested hammer. We want to see shooting star, or we want to see the engulfing, or we want to see like evening star. Do you consider it our evening star? Morning? Oh, sorry, this is morning, this is evening. Yep. Am I saying correctly? Where is my chart? Do you think this is gonna be our evening star here? What do you think? What do you think about these zones? What do you think about? Do you think that this is our PA, price action, based on this candle, evening star? What do you think? And it's happened where? It's happened at the resistance level and still in the zones, right? Now I'm gonna go back up again. If you think this is really unsure, okay, we can wait for the the M15 to close. Okay, go in the zones, have the rejection, and now go to the M5 again. Let me see. Watch in this like evening star, right? On the upper we have the extension. The lower here we have the 127 within the evening star candle. It's still within the zones. Okay, so this candle we can consider, or if you're aggressive trader, you make up your mind. If not, you can wait for the M15 to close. Based on M15, is this gonna be the higher high? And my RSI showing me, is this gonna be the divergence? Possible, but M15 haven't closed yet. I'm not sure why the countdown bar is not showing. Anyone knows? I don't know. Okay, but let's just go to the M5. Okay, M5, is this gonna be our evening star? We need to see. Okay, aggressive trader, if you think, make up your mind whether you want to buy or you want to sell. Of course, we're gonna look for the sell entry at these zones. If you want to sell, stop loss you put above 3,700. That's it. Okay, guys. Let me just wait for this candle to close. Okay. Let's say if price break above, keep in mind if price really break above the 3,700, okay, another sell zone, that will be another 100 pip, which is here. Okay, now lovely M5. Okay, lovely M5 close. Let me go to the, okay, oh, the price here. Okay, M15 is less than 1 minute, it's gonna close. This is the M5. What do you think about it? Are you guys sell, or what do you think about this? Do you think this one is gonna be the evening star, something like that? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Right? What do you think? What do you think about this? I think it will keep rising and reach all-time high, but this one is already zone, guys. This is already all-time high. This is the zones. How I get these zones? Okay, I map out just now. This is my extension 161.8, and we have projection. This is the zone. This is the this is a projection 161.8. This is my extension in a lower time frame, and 3,700, that is just a round number. If talking about the extension from this high, okay, another zone, this is, you can see that my projection here, extension here, and in H4, if they break 3,700, the next move is gonna be 3,711. 3,711. So based on M5, I'm gonna sell. And I'll put my stop loss just above 3700. That will be, maybe I just put 3702. Depend. Okay, you can just manage your risk. Okay, and here, if you just want to read the candle, I may consider this my evening star. Right, this is my evening star. I will just consider it's my evening star. This one also closing with bearish. I might see the divergence here, or maybe, okay, you see that there's a divergence here, so we just sell within the zone. Sometimes if the price comes, we just sell, right? Then we just put a stop loss above this 3,700. That's it. What do you think? Where you're gonna aim for TP if you're gonna sell at this zone, which is our sell zone here? We could aim at 95, and I think it's good for because this all-time high already with the zones, right? It's good for, if I will just put exact here, I'm gonna just aim for 100 pip. That would be 88 or 89. That would be around this 90. If you're gonna say that, okay, if this one is gonna be our FVG or fabric gap, okay, if you want to like say like that, right? It will say, okay, this is going to be my FVG or fabric gap. Of course, it's high risk. Okay, the reason we sell, I already told you. Okay, since now we saw the price action, what do you think? We just sell based on the price action, right? This is the evening star. Then we see within the zones. This is my extension projection. There's a divergence here, and H1 M15 is looking good. This one also, if M15 closing with bearish engulf or bearish this twist the top like that, that's gonna be really beautiful. Okay, but anything could be possible. We can't really say like 100% price gonna reverse. Okay, we just trade according to what we see, right? Oh, now it's rising back up again, right? You see? So you have a quick sell just now at 98, price falling. It's 96.20 pip in M1. This is M1, right? This is in M1. Look like you go to M5, it's gonna look something like this. Anything is possible. Maybe we can have a quick look on the dollar. Okay, dollar, can see the dollar break below second support. I need to go all the way to D1. So basically this is the support level, or not support level, sorry, demand zones. Okay, these are demand zones. in D1 time frame. Okay, so it's broken. Now you will see that I think there's a divergence here in the lower time frame. That's why you're gonna see the dollar rising. Maybe gold, EU, GU gonna see it pull back. Okay, and GU is go in the zones. Okay, and the lower time frame, we might see the price action, which is this one hammer. Okay, and then go in the zone we sell, right, with this zones, correct? USD CHF I saw it at a support level. There's a divergence here in M15, so we buy, right? Anything is uncertainty, we just trade according what we can see and what the you know, the chart tell us, the candle, those like the divergence here. Okay, so here we can buy based on the M15, and this is the zones for USD CHF. And now we go back to gold again. Okay, if I want to say based on the M15 candle, I say that okay, go ahead, make a higher high. Okay, the indicator is make a lower high, so I would say that okay, I'm gonna sell. I have Fibonacci, I have like 3 confirmation to support my sell entry. One is M5 closing with price action. Secondly, there's a Fibonacci line up, which is we have the projection, we have the extension. The thirdly, I have the zones all the way to 3,700. So this is my sell zones. And then we have the bearish divergence. So we have like at least 3 confirmation, that's why we sell. And also maybe last confirmation, which is dollar is at the support or demand. You can see the rise, and there's a divergence here. USD CHF also divergence bounce from here, closing with the these are also price action, right? These are price action as well. Okay, so we just hold. Okay, and even though if we have those like confirmation or at least more than 3 or 4 support our sell entry right here, you just put the stop loss at 3702 or 03, depend your lot size. If price rising, you know, and not respect the 3700 here, then the next sell zone is gonna be at 3711. That's it. Okay, I think it's possible. 3690 is your take profit. 3690, yeah. Oh, you hold your buy entries in here, CS. Do you sell? Any one of you guys sell here? I know this, we just say aggressive. Okay, if you're an aggressive trader, you can sell. But if you just say, okay, I already wait for confirmation, so this is my confirmation, I sell here. Or I sell here at 98.17. Price falling, I think you're still positive. If you think that okay, it's high risk, you just chip your stop loss and then you just put somewhere around here. So at 90.6. What a quick hand. At where? 98.6, slightly here. 6 somewhere here. So this is your sell entry. Right, this is your sell entry. Okay, I'm gonna put the purple, so you sell at somewhere around this zone. So where is our take profit? Where your take profit based on this one could be in 5-minute candle. We just say this overlap at 93. That's about 50 pip from the entry. If we're gonna say that, if we're gonna aim for this like FVG here 91, this could be our 88. Okay, this is in M5. Okay, set B 96, TP 90. Okay, we just even gonna look at the in H1 time frame. Within this zone, this is a demand zone for the gold, meaning that if price rising here, we might see someone waiting to buy or gonna buy at this FBG, then target again. Okay, just manage your risk. If you already sell above, right, you just set B at the zones and then you hold, and then you hold. Okay, anything possible, I will gonna remove this, right? But based on what we can see, this look quite promising, but anything could be possible. Okay, we still have like 5 minutes for the M15 to close. I want to see like this one closing with belly in gap. Okay, at least close below 96. If closing with belly in gap, and then I think that's lovely, or at least the body is closed below 97. If the body can close below 97, and then that is looking good. Okay, okay, this is about 3 minutes for the candle to close. Okay, because since this is, I will consider all-time high, right? I would say that they're gonna come here 90 or 91 or 98, somewhere around here. But this one you can aim for TP1 first. Okay, at 93. This is TP2. Now it's falling 96. Let's just look. Just manage your risk if you sell. Okay, we can put the take profit at 90. You think it's gonna go to all the way 90 or 91? What do you think? What do you think? Let's just see whether this price action is gonna work out. I mean, it's gonna go all the way to 90 or 91. Okay, so it's really falling from this and all the way to 90, 91, almost 100 pip. But usually, okay, whenever it's make all-time high, right, they're gonna see go pull back. For example, right, you can see that all-time high 85, you can see the pullback. All-time high make a pullback right from here before the break. So this one is gonna make an all-time high. We're gonna see the pullback here, something like that. Okay, I'm not gonna say like 100%, but it look like that. Okay, maybe make a pullback first, and then they're gonna fly high maybe tonight, or the New York section, right? You're gonna look here. Okay, all-time high, pull back, all-time high, pull back, all-time high here 93, pull back, and this another, the all-time high here should pull back. Just pull back first, okay, because we sell. Just pull back first. Okay, pull back, then somewhere around here, just set at 90 or 91. Just manage your risk. Okay, don't overtrade. Stop loss, just put above 3702. Anything is possible. Okay, let's just see less than 1 minute for M5 to close, which is M15 is not it's not very beautiful for what I can see. Okay, let's just see. We still have 20 seconds to go. Okay, I have the, you can see the counting here, 16, 15. Let's just see. Okay, it's really volatile though. Anyone sell here? Anyone sell here with CS or with me? Anyone? Okay, now M5 close. Let's look the M15. Okay, M15 somehow closing, even though it's not engulfed, right? It seems like the body is still closed. If I purely just want to read the candle, it's from the zone. The body is closed below 97, even though it's not really like engulfed. But if this one, okay, this candle closing can engulf or longer than this candle, I think potential we see that gold gonna fall to overtake profit. Gold gonna go to our take profit or TP. You can see that now a lot of the investor who buy, they close position, some close and then still selling off. Okay, let's just see. This is a H1, this is M15, gonna pull back. Okay, now it's where it's at 96. Why it stopped at 96? We don't know. Okay, manage your risk. Anything could happen. Okay, don't overtrade and just set your SL or stop loss. Okay, I think the stop loss, to me, I don't want to like aim for too high. I just put a rail here. It might hit my stop loss and then falling, so it's up to you where you're gonna put the stop loss. Okay, from here, right, from the zone, basically from the zone, my stop loss is about less than 50 pip. You want to put like 50 pip or 100 pip, so it's up to you. You see, if I put my stop loss, it's less than 40 pip. Okay, now price all the way down to 95 point, like below 96, and then it's rising. So you're gonna set B at 96. If you set B in 96, you already get, I mean, have you set? Not yet, right? If you set, and then that's gonna be risky. But if you sell in the 98, if you want to like set B at least 97 or 98. Okay, we're gonna hold together. Then we're gonna see that I think that there is another price action. Let me look. This is not hanging man, not engulf. This is twist top. It's not evening. Not this one. Save. Hang on, I try to look for the choosing star. That will be evening. To the top. Don't have. Okay, the reason this is the only one I think that I can see, right? It's a high risk. Okay, if we gonna Okay, never mind. Let me look. Dollar is still very strong selling, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Daily they cannot break above this, like in a lower time frame. For the XY, if I want to like wait for market structure shape, I want that to break above this one and somehow pull back and continue, meaning that this in the lower time frame they need to break above, close above this level. They need to close above this level. Okay, now it's falling back again. Now based on M15, or sorry, M5, we see that this our, if somehow we're gonna say that okay, this is our price action. This is the morning star. It is look like morning star, guys. It look like morning stars, something like that, right? You're gonna refer to this, right? And it's closing with bullish engulfing candle. Okay, if based on what we can see, this is, if we're gonna say that okay, this confirmation within the zones, meaning that this is consider engulf. Okay, they might come back to the zones again and then rising. We don't know, we need to monitor. Okay, but if we're gonna see this our price action, meaning price gonna bounce from this level, or if not, they are waiting for the news later today, or maybe later tonight for my time zones. Okay, now go back to gold. Okay, what do you think? Anybody still hold, or any one of you guys like the same boat at me, which is we sell? This one, what do you think is a price action? Price action. This could be considered as a pin bar, no, right? Because the pin bar, the wick should be longer. That is not a pin bar. But what is this candle mean? Any one of you guys? Let me try to find this one. 2 minutes to close. M15 to close. Let me find the candle for you. Oh, this one don't have. Maybe this one. This is okay. I think gold might already sideways. You guys can see this. Can you guys see this one? Or maybe too small. Too small, right? Okay, let's forget about this. I try to find for you guys. Okay. Now it's gonna pull back. If they're gonna pull back, that's gonna be the zones. Meaning they're gonna pull back to like this valid engulf. We don't know. We can just assume it's gonna be something like that. I'm gonna find the pattern for you guys. I'm not consider this a pin bar. Okay, this is not a pin bar. This just as a cross. This one, it look like the doji, right? This is considered a doji. Anyone? Rising back up again. I set my stop loss 702. Opening and closing, it looked like the doji to me, but okay, anyway, we just monitor. If you sell, right, you just now you first sell. If you sell just now at 98, price falling 96, 20 pip only, guys, it might rising back up here again, or it could just go to 3700, or it just go above and hit my stop loss. You can aim for here TP1, and you can aim for TP2 at the FBG right here. Okay, or we can look whenever I see like that, right? What I want to see, you want to read the candle, I still want the body close below. We have 5 minutes, close below this box, which is close below 3697. Okay, are they gonna rising again? Are they gonna do something like that? We're gonna go like here and then falling, or they're gonna go here, or they just respect this. Don't know what we can do. I can tell you that I set my stop loss here. That's it. If you want to sell, you manage your lot size, you manage your risk. If just now you sell at 98, right, and then price falling, and then you set the break even at 97, okay, it might already hit your B break even. If you want to re-enter again, you can decide and make up your mind. Okay, now anyone want to request for any pair? Anyone before I end the webinar, guys? No one. After the webinar, I think I'm going to fix my webcam. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. GBUSD on D1, please. Okay, sure, let's go. GBP and D1. Okay, this is my D1 time frame, the resistance level, guys. Here, my first resistance in D1. Because this is the supply zone. Okay, rally base rally. This is the supply zone. Price go to the zone and then falling. I still say this is the supply zone, which is the first resistance level. Okay, and the next sell zone, if we're gonna highlight, okay, it's gonna be at this OB in D1 time frame. Here, if you're gonna sell for the pullback, right, this is gonna be the demand zones, meaning able to sell, this is gonna be a take profit. This level, that would be, if you have sell somewhere 69 to 82 pips, somewhere around the zones. Yeah, okay, this is the views. I would pick first support, second support. Okay, do you think price gonna fall from this? Okay, based on the confirmation, or if price gonna break, you know, all-time high, I mean higher high here, and this one is gonna bring a divergence, or if we want to see the confirmation, okay, maybe within the zone here, and then I will see that this is OB price rising, M15 you might see, it seems like they're gonna make a higher high, and then we can go down to the M15. So whenever you see the M15, you will see the price action, which is here, right? So we just sell. Let's say you sell based on the price action, and then you tell me, oh, if I sell here, where is my stop loss? Either if like you sell just now, you short, let's just say somewhere around the zone, right? Your stop loss is, you see, you put there, that's too big, this is in D1, and then you would aim here 1 and 1, 1 to 1, but you think that the zone is big, I can't, I just want to never mind, just want to put slightly above the price action, okay, then you can just put there that, okay, because you just want to have a tight stop. Whenever I see confirmation, I just don't care, I put here. If price really, you know, go rising again, then I will wait for another confirmation, or I will just sell. Then you're gonna aim here, you just put maybe you just, okay, I target here first for TP1 for scalping, and after that you can use the trailing stop loss, and you can hold to this level. Or if you think that too narrow or too tight, then you just chip above, okay, above the box, above the supply zone, basically our supply zone, okay. The reason I saw there is only price action here based on M15, the body still close below. You could wait for H1 as well if you want to, but still like, if it's strong bullish move, I agree with you. In H1 they still make the what is breakout structure, right? So in order for us to sell within the zone, either you sell now, okay, see trader, because we see price action, if price could close below this level, then there's gonna be market structure shift, meaning that right, price action equal high, if they can break, they might gonna pull back here and then falling, or they might just pull back somewhere here and then falling, whatever you're gonna say. But the reason is, if you want to wait, okay, price have to close below this, the body have to close below this price, okay. So I think now or it's sideways, and the gold also sideways at the moment, right? You can see that it's go back to the zone, okay, you see, right? This is your zone to sell, 97, now falling somewhere around at 96. So I think they're waiting for news. Let me see what time is that. Is okay, the UTC is at 12:30 p.m. today, okay, UTC time zone at 12:30 p.m. okay. So I need to switch to my time zones, I mean here, look at the chart, okay. Let me see. Right here, 8:30 p.m. So it's about 2 hours, okay, it's about 2 hours the news gonna release. So I think they are waiting for news, okay, they are waiting for news another 2 hours, because my time zone is at 8:30 p.m. which is duty plus 8, so now it's at 6:30. They're gonna go out another 2 hours later. So either you're gonna fly high, or you think if you're already happy with profit, you just close, okay, because I think it might be too volatile. It could be just, you know, hit the stop loss, like, you know, a long wick, boom, and then falling, That's possible as well. If you think that you really have your profit, just close and then we just wait for the new to be released first and then we can enter. Okay, I still hold. Okay guys, I haven't closed for gold. Maybe I'm gonna have a quick look on the DXY. Okay, you see DXY coming and maybe rising, and then we're gonna wait right here. If dollar is really like rising and can, you know, close above this, and then we can see that gold gonna give us the TP, at least TP1 here, which is 50 pip, which is a TP1 here. Okay, TP, where is it? To be TP1 here, and then you can just aim for the FBG right here. Okay, any question? You guys have any questions? Any question before I end the webinar, guys?
A blue color though. Yes, now I got the toy. What's that? That's my train color.
Thank you. Okay, you're welcome. Are you still whole? Just now it already hit your break even B, and then you enter here again when it go to these zones, like these zones. So okay, so this one, it could be your take profit if you sell. Okay, at least take profit or TP1 here if you want to, yeah, or holding. Okay, and this one we could say TP2 within our FBG. Okay, that would be close to 100 pip. TP1, if I want to say, that would be 50 pip here, and within FBG it's gonna be almost 100 pip, almost 100 pip. Okay, almost 100 pip. Haven't retraced to 98.6 for BE yet. Oh, you said at 98.6. I thought you put at, okay, so you still hold. Okay, it's falling. Anyone sell beside CS? If not, I'm gonna end the webinar. If you guys still like wholesale here, I can maybe end a bit later. If it's can hit TP1, what you guys still need me, or you don't need me? Or just say that it's gonna go to the TP1. Okay, look at M15 candle. It looks quite promising. They're gonna hit 90, 93 or TP1. What do you think? Don't forget to set B or break even whenever price falling. Okay, if you sell in here, you can slowly move your stop loss. Okay, or use the trailing stop loss. Okay guys, now it's at 90, 94. It's at 94. Okay, just manage your risk. When I see that, it's not very nice. Meaning there will be, I think they buy at this 94 or 95. You can see that, boom, so fast within like 20 pip. Okay guys, so if you still wholesale entry, just take notes. Okay, don't overtrade. Okay, I will catch up with you guys again next Tuesday. Okay, apologize for the topic today. So basically we just recap on the price action, and now we sell because we see the price action here. Okay, and that is our confirmation. Alright guys, catch up with you again next Tuesday. If you want to trade together with me, you can just subscribe to my channel if you want to. silly trader, right? Why is it? Okay, this is my YouTube channel. Okay guys, TP1 still here. I just mark out why price bounce because of there will be someone buy at 95. Just protect your capital, okay, protect your profit. Catch up with you guys again. Bye bye, all the best, take care guys.